नमस्कार साथियों, स्वागत है आप सभी का एक बार फिर से आपके अपने चैनल वेदांत लर्निंग पॉइंट पे। आज हम डीएलएड सेकेंड ईयर के 5वें प्रश्न पत्र प्रोफिशिएंसी इन इंग्लिश की दूसरे यूनिट लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग के सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर करने वाले हैं। यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि पेपर आपका यहाँ से बहुत ही अच्छा जाने वाला है। आइए शुरू करते हैं। पहला प्रश्न है इसमें, द एम ऑफ मेडिकल ड्रिल्स टू लर्न इंग्लिश एज इनकरेज क्रिएटिव यूज ऑफ लैंग्वेज एमंग द लर्नर्स एंड बिगिनर्स। ऑप्शन डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, लिसनिंग स्पीकिंग रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग आर, यह है वर्बल स्किल। ऑप्शन नंबर बी। रीजन ऑफ रिटार्डेशन इन रेटिंग द करेक्ट हैबिट ऑफ स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश इज रीजनल लैंग्वेज, रिट्रैक्टिव लैंग्वेज, फिजिकल लैंग्वेज, ऑल अबव द राइट आंसर। द नेचुरल फॉर्म ऑफ लैंग्वेज इज स्पीच। ऑप्शन नंबर ए। विच वर्ड इज monosyllabic? Pot. Which one of the quality of good listener? Attentive, open mind, appreciative, all of these answer. Option number D. Direct method prohibits vocabulary. Option number C. How many kinds of stress or emphasis come in language English? Learning English. 3. The process of speaking and listening is based on साइकोलॉजिकल व्यू। लिसनिंग इज एक्टिव प्रोसेस। ऑप्शन नंबर बी। मेरा आंसर है सारे, मैच कर लीजिएगा। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। नेसल कॉन्सोनेंट आर एन एंड एम, एम एंड एन। शोइंग वेरिंग पैटर्न ऑफ पिच इन सेंटेंस इज कॉल्ड इंटोनेशन। यहाँ पे इंटोनेशन आ जाएगा। देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ लिसनिंग, कैजुअल एंड फोकस्ड। यहाँ कैजुअल, यहाँ पर फोकस्ड आ जाएगा। प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज अ 4 सिलेबिक वर्ड। स्पीच इज अ नेचुरल फॉर्म ऑफ लैंग्वेज। यहाँ स्पीच आ जाएगा। देयर आर 5 वॉवेल्स, दीज आर ए ई आई ओ यू एंड 21 वॉवेल साउंड। Listening and speaking skill of language are called primary skill. Reading and writing skill of language are called artificial skills. Increasing of vocabulary gives a learner confidence of speaking. Increasing of vocabulary gives a learner confidence for speaking. यहाँ confidence आ जाएगा। The sound of English can be divided vowels sounds and consonant sound। यहाँ vowel आ जाएगा और यहाँ consonant आ जाएगा। ये सारे आंसर है, मैच कर लीजिएगा। इसमें फिलअप्स नहीं है, डायरेक्ट यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आंसर स्टार्ट हो गए हैं। यहाँ से व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय लिसनिंग, सुनने से आपका क्या तात्पर्य है। Listening is a process to receive any kind of sound or speech through the ear alternatively. What are good listening skill? सुनने की अच्छी दक्षताएं क्या क्या हैं। Discriminative, appreciative, emphatic और critical. What are the habit of good listener? अच्छे listener की क्या आदतें होती हैं। Face the speaker and maintain eye contact. Be attentive but relaxed. Keep an open mind. Listen carefully and grasp the saying words or statements. Listen carefully and grasp the saying words or statements. Don't interrupt. How can you speak English fluently? आप इंग्लिश को फ्लुएंटली यानी कि धारा प्रवाह रूप से कैसे बोल सकते हैं। Start with believing yourself. अपने ऊपर विश्वास होना चाहिए। Listen carefully, speak. जो कोई बोले तो उसे ध्यान से सुनना चाहिए। Read full sentences with intonation. रीड न्यूज़पेपर, पेपर पढ़ना चाहिए। मेक द मिरर योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, शीशे को अपना मित्र बनाना चाहिए। कीप योर ईयर्स ओपन, अपने कानों को खुला रखना चाहिए। यू शुड हैव योर ओन डिक्शनरी, आपके पास खुद का शब्दकोश होना चाहिए। व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ लिसनिंग, सुनने के क्या महत्व हैं। हेल्पफुल इन लिसनिंग प्रोनाउंसिएशन, हेल्पफुल इन लर्निंग द स्ट्रेस एंड इंटोनेशन। It can improve speaking English. Listening makes one's mind active. It paves the path to speaking and reading. What are the difficulties in listening? Lack of listening and ignoring it are the difficulties in listening. Neglecting this skill is one of the person which makes the learner inactive to respond properly. Write any two objectives of English pronunciation. The two objectives of English pronunciation are cultivation of audible and intelligible pronunciation, production of correct sound with proper stress intonation, rhythm fluency, and pause. What do you understand by intonation? Write down its types. The rise and fall, ये क्वेश्चन 2015 में आया है. The rise and fall of pitch in voice is intonation. In other words, intonation is the variation in pitch. It is done by slacking or tightening our vocal cords, and the sound. Its pronunciation intonation is very important. The types of tone are as follows: rising tone, falling tone, rising falling tone, falling rising tone. The sounds of English can be divided in how many ways? Name them. The sounds of English can be divided into two: vowel sound, consonant sound. Write the information of oral drill in developing speaking skill. The teacher should ask student to hear a word attentively. Then he should ask them to repeat the word individually and need more oral practice so that they can be more confident to speak. Write the short note on listening. Listening is an active process. It can be depicted as the process of computer input processing output. First, by input, B simply speak the word or sentences to the listener, and the listener process in his mind to respond properly according to the speaker. How we improve listening skills? Many of us admit this idea that they do not teach English through English because India has languages spoken all over states, so English is the second language. What if the students listen carefully and try to understand? They imitate, and Atlas can speak the word as well as the sentence, then the language. If listeners listen a story and they have curiosity about the end of story, they discuss and try to know the different word meaning with the help of dictionary. The interest of learning language improves their listening skills. Write the note on language lab and it's important. A language laboratory is a room designed for learning language, especially foreign language. The room equipped with tape recorder, video cassettes, recorders, or computers connected to monitoring devices, enabling the instructor to listen and speak to the student individually or a group. A teacher can use materials in the language laboratory with the individual tape recorders for each people. Importance in language lab. The instrument set of language lab gives practice to the student both actively and passively, listening and speaking. Talking in the lab is the only rehearsal for real conversation, and after that they can discuss and improve their pronunciation, and the teacher can help them and give instructions individually. What is the role of multimedia to develop listening skill? Role of multimedia is as follows. Public announcements. A public address system is an electronic sound amplification and distribution system with a microphone, amplifier, and loudspeakers. These systems announce some information or notices to the public place for public. The people listen and respond to those announcements. Telephonic conversation. It is one of the sources by which we listen to our relatives, friends, or sometimes about official work. On telephonic, we must talk confidently and listen to other one. We should use very small familiar word, vocabulary and phrases. Radio. Radio is one of the audio ad for listening and teaching English. Several radio broadcasting service broadcast their language course. The BBC has some English language courses in IGNU and UGC etc. Lessons are available on radio. Listening news by radio can improve English. Vocabulary can also be increased. Communication can also be improved. Television. Television is also used for teaching several subjects including English language. The BBC broadcast lessons on English language. Listening. The speaker can improve pronunciation, intonation, pause, rhythm and stress. The IT has done miracles in education. Modern education is replacing teaching by learning. Computer and projector. Computer and projector both are audio visual aids which enable the student active learning by computer and projector. The learner can listen, see and practice the content and learning activities. During this learning, teacher is a guide or instructor. They listen to the content and observe. Remember, together these are not separate acts. What is speaking skill? It is natural form of a language. In speech, we make use of oral signs which are addressed to the ear. The second language learning situation in India does not provide the learners with situation to speak the language, so the teacher should have command over the spoken English and enable the students to learn new vocabulary and framing of the simple students. What are the main features for teaching speaking correctly? Speaking correctly needs following features. Phonic features. It is must for good pronunciation. Vocabulary. The teacher enables the student to learn and improve their vocabulary. Increasing knowledge of vocabulary gives the teacher confidence for speaking. Morphology and syntax or grammar. The teacher must teach the student simple framing and pattern making sentences. What do you mean by listening with comprehension? There are 4 language skills. First 2 are natural, which are listening and speaking. A person who hears will listen, and one who listens will speak, but other 2, writing and reading, are artificial. Comprehension means the mind act or power of understanding. When the child hears, will listen, and during listening one can understand and think about the word which is spoken by the speaker. There are 4 types of reading comprehension. Reading comprehension. First, the learner have to read loudly and then silently. Picture comprehension. Through showing picture, the teacher can ask so many questions about the picture. Auditory comprehension. First, the teacher reads any passage and then asks some questions about it. Story comprehension. The teacher narrates a story and asks certain questions based on it. F.G. French remarks, speech is the ground work, all the rest are built up from it. Through speech, the people learn to make direct connection between English word, phrase and object, action or idea. Speaking opportunity should be given to student. इसके बाद इंपॉर्टेंट प्रश्न है, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय साउंड सिस्टम ऑफ लैंग्वेज? साउंड सिस्टम ऑफ लैंग्वेज. लेटर्स एंड साउंड मस्ट बी मिक्सड अप. Sounds are spoken and letters are written. In English, there are 26 letters and 45 sounds. The language has an alphabet or symbol for each 45 sounds and 26 letters. These alphabets or symbols are called phonetic alphabets or phonetic symbols. The sounds of English can be divided into 2, vowel sound and consonant sound. इसके बाद important question है, what is stress and its importance in English pronunciation? Stress is one of the important component of English conversation. Stress means putting different degrees of emphasis on different words or syllables. During the conversation, there are 3 kind of stress: syllable stress, word stress और sentence stress. ये भी important प्रश्न हो सकता है. What do you mean understand by listening with comprehension? Listening and speaking are 2 natural skills, but other 2, reading and writing, are artificial skills. पावर ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग is the work of mind that is called comprehension. When the child hear will listening and during listening one can understand and think about the word which is spoken by the speaker. इसी के साथ ही इस इकाई के प्रश्न पूरे होते हैं। मिलते हैं अगली इकाई में, तब तक के लिए आप सभी का धन्यवाद। आप सभी का दिन शुभ हो।